Hello, welcome back to Bitcoin Technical Analysis. I know I made one, I think I posted last night, right before Bitcoin pumped. It was about 53 bucks. I just want to make a disclaimer that I did take profit, 64%, as you can see, 1174.1. And then it was like 1,400 Bitcoin buy. So reason I took profit is because, well, I made 63%. And what scared me is this volume candle right here is pretty massive. Now we go back to the 5-minute chart. What is it? Now we have this volume right here. That is a 259 buy. But then you had a 200 dump. That was pretty significant. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see what is right here. Now, I did pay for trading light premium. I'm not saying I made the bad choice or I made a good choice taking profit, because it's never wrong to take profit. I know that was a very short-term trade. It made over $1,000. But again, we're looking at the volume on the hourly because this is our main target. Now, we did hit target, what we were talking about last night or the previous video. You can go back and check. We did talk about this zone on the 5-minute chart, and we have hit it twice. On it, we got rejected at the top of it at 1942. Now this area right here was targeted back here. Basically, we took the candle wick from here to here, or no, here to here. I don't know which candle did I take it from. I think it was down here. We put it right here, and it was in this zone. And we already had it 1942 already laid out. So again, I did take profit just because, well, it's not bad taking profit. Plus, I'm going to go watch the World Series. So I took some profit, going to sell some for cash so I can have some money to go party for the World Series, you know, because I'm in the US. So I did make quite a bit of money. And so we're looking at, now last night I also drew this, which looks pretty new. So you know how we had this downtrend line, which I told you I don't think this is it because it's too small. Could go up here. Well, we significantly passed it, but the volume candlestick says we dumped. So I would suggest, we're going to draw it right now, that this basically right here is the actual, do that, we're going to do this, we're going to do that as the actual top, it looks like. Maybe it's down there. Let's check it out. It could be, but again, the candlestick is pointing upwards, so I don't know how significant this would be, as it was a drop. We had many engulfing candles last night. If you go there here, let's go check. We had dumps, and then no, it was on the hourly. Yeah, we had engulfing candles. We took that massive wick up, then we engulfed it, then we pumped back up, and then we engulfed it, and then we had another dump when I was asleep. I was like, oh shit. And I'm like, oh, I don't care if I get liquidated, because the volume was pretty massive. I was like, I'm pretty sure Bitcoin's gonna prevail like it did last night, because I was watching it all last night. It kept having engulfing candles of the dumps, which that's pretty bullish. That's why we're having this move, it looks like right now. Again, this volume candlestick scared me, even though you go to the 5-minute chart, it is bullish volume. But again, you had a 200 Bitcoin dump that hasn't really held up, so we are pumping above it right now. Looks like when market opened, we had some more buys come in. So I exit because I'm still wary, because again, I put 11,705 as my support level, because this is where we hit it, dumped, and then we blew past it. So on the 5-minute chart, 11,705 will be your support if we do dump back down. Now again, we are in an uptrend, which this held up again. This is where it started. We hit it once, we pumped, we hit it twice, we pumped, and then we hit it for a third time, and we pumped. And now are we going to retrace back to it? This will give you a buy-in around 11,761 if you want to snipe it, but I don't know if it's going to hit it. I don't hope it hits it. But again, you never know. And there is a massive at 12. Let's see how big the. Now, I just noticed you can add the order book now, which is pretty cool. I don't know because I decided to pay for the monthly subscription just because I use this chart a lot. Oh, yeah, this is a 279, so it'll be pretty massive. And the next one's at 12, 151. Maybe just 12, 250. Again, that's pretty massive. So it just depends on this. The candles. Now I noticed delta is basically buy minus sell. So yeah, there's not a. It looks like there's more buyers, but again, the sellers are pushing it down. We did retrace the morning pump, which we go to the stock market. The stock market is having a beautiful day. Now, I just saw the news on my phone. It said that it's rallying because of the stimulus final hopes. I'm like, are you an idiot? I swear. The news media assumes it has to be stimulus pumping this. It has to be stimulus. It has to be stimulus. They stated that Trump's plan, well, they rejected the Democrats' plan because it's too much. But the Trump administration, they rejected it because Nancy Pelosi, again, it's all political. They're saying it's not enough. So they're going to be using that for their re-election. So it's pretty, I don't know. I wouldn't really think because honestly, you're only up 0.45, 0.6, 100 points. Not a lot right now because, again, we just opened about like 45 minutes ago. Then the news writers just get on saying, oh, it's the stimulus talks. Idiots. I swear, if it was stimulus talks, gold would be pumping as well. Gold's not pumping. And then oil's not pumping. So it's just sideways movement. We look at Apple. Apple's up 1%. Nikola is down. Tesla is down. Cruise lines are down. Space. Now, again, this is my favorite space stock is Maxar. Buying it in around $12 because we call the breakout. Yeah, $12. That's when I bought. Well, I used to buy down there, but then this stock is interesting. It doesn't even move half the time. When it does move, it has a major explosion move. So this would be a long term. But right now, I think we're still in the digital age. So I don't know how much movement this will have in my lifetime. I'm sure if you're younger, well, I'm in my 20s. I'm fine. I'm saying I'm old. Again, I'm in my 20s, but again, if you're starting out trading stocks, this is one of the ones you should hold because it's space related. It's It's like space satellites for the United States. Space, never touch that hoe. They're never gonna make money. It's not possible. I don't know how you get an evaluation of $23 if they're never gonna make money. Go look at their EPS. It's never gonna make money. They lose money like every single day. It doesn't even matter. It's up 100. I don't know. This is one of my favorite stocks. They always make money. You just buy and hold this stock. It always goes up. So back to crypto. Wi-Fi dumping like a hoe because it's trash. Now DOT is just slightly above $4, probably pumping with Bitcoin right now on its BTC evaluation, but again, you never know. Now Bitcoin also took a little tumble because Ethereum took a tumble, but again, Bitcoin does not care. Seems like people are more interested in Bitcoin than Ethereum. I don't know what the news is on Ethereum. No. Let's go check it out. Ethereum news. Okay. Contract launched this week. So I guess they're selling the news. I don't know. Ethereum fees. It is true. I was able to transfer like $80 worth of Ethereum for 35 cents. That's not bad. Maybe I can, I don't know. Let's see how much does it cost to cancel the contract. Sorry, I'm doing this live on video because Coinbase gave me free money later. Okay. Withdrawal. How much does it cost to withdraw later? Calculate. Dude, $7 to cancel a $3 contract. That is ridiculous. Why would you do that? It's only $3, but again, I'd rather be holding Bitcoin than having it locked in a stable coin. You know what I mean? So it just looks like launch could be 6 to 8 weeks away. That's a pretty long time. So I guess they're going to be pulling a Verge. See if they can get it out before New Year's. I wouldn't count my hopes on it because they said it would be released at the start of this year. Crypto.com is now going sideways. Is that the end? It was pretty oversold, so a slight pump from this low. I don't know. Now, what's interesting, I was actually looking at the longs earlier. They were at like 30. Oh no, they're still pretty high. They did take a tumble. Let's see how shorts are. Are shorts doing it? Oh, shorts are terrible. No one is shorting this market because we all believe it's a bull run right now. Riot is up 10%. Oh my god. Again, I'm not trading stocks. Again, I made better luck in leverage trading, so I don't really pay attention to stocks. That's insane. That is purely insane. XMR taking a little tumble as Bitcoin is regaining dominance. I know I gotta clean up my chart. So basically, how this turns out, we're gonna copy paste this. Control C. We're gonna just look at the two-way where we could go. Now, let's say we are bullish. We are bullish. We are looking at that target of 12,327. Bearish, we are looking at the target of 11,488. Now that would be pretty devastating for Bitcoin. But again, I really don't know if we're going to retrace or not. This hasn't shown what it's going to do yet. See, look, it's low volume right now. Nothing pumping it, just that high frequency volume at the start of the market. Again, we could go up. Maybe people are expecting stimulus checks at the start of next month, but again, you never know. So that's my short little update. Just disclaimer, I did take profit even though we're pumping. I could have made more money. I just felt comfortable taking profit because of this giant wick. That's just my personal opinion. So if we go to this apex, now if we do dump and we stay in this range right here, because it is possible that this could be a fake out, we're going to go back down for a little bit, is that we could go in this range. So we hit about tomorrow night, and that will decide if we're going to go up or down. Now if the volume picks up on Bitcoin, if we start getting if we dumps and then high frequency volumes going up, we will pump. But if it's low volume and we're going up, it's more likely going to go down. Just want to point out, just watch the volume. Trading Light, there is a free version that you can get for a couple days, or you can just pay like $7, and if you're leveraging like me, you can pay for it. It's up to you. But again, leveraging at your own risk, it's all up to you. So again, I did take profit. I am gonna just hold my position right now. So that's all I want to say. Peace out.